So welcome to another video, and we're here in Brisbane, Queensland, and we are walking through Southbank Parklands, and it's a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. A little bit stormy over the city of Brisbane today. And look at that, what a fair storm that is. Absolutely beautiful bougainvillea. All the cafes are a little bit quieter at the moment, but I'm guessing it'll get busier as the day goes on. So this is the area for the Expo of 1988. Who remembers that? The Parklands 1988. Southbank Parklands. Can get my words out then. So the time's coming up to 3:17 and it's 26 Celsius. Beautiful afternoon in Brisbane, just after a rainstorm. So if you come to Brisbane, make sure you come to the Parklands here. You get some stunning views of the city of Brisbane. And again, just check out the bougainvillea there. Awesome. The skyline's certainly going up there. Beautiful grass areas. Look at the new building going up. Okay, so here's the observation wheel. The 7 observation wheel here at Southbank Parklands. And just look at the storm again over there. Crazy. It certainly dropped a lot of rain about half an hour ago in Southbank. And just look how tall that is. So there's the one building there. Pretty tall. I think that's one of the tallest now in Brisbane. And there's a lot of construction going on again here. So ticket prices are $21, $16 for children. Yeah, a lot of construction around here, guys. And you can see the construction of the new bridge across the Brisbane River there. It's coming on really well. So this is the cultural forecourt here at Southbank Parklands. And this is the Wheel of Brisbane. So the construction here is for Queen's Wharf, Brisbane. Opens in mid-2023. And it's going to be a delight, an array of 50 new bars, restaurants, hotels, and it's going to be an exciting development. So there's going to be a lot of change here at the front of Southbank in Brisbane. So yeah, a lot going on there, guys. Just up here on the right is a good area for a selfie spot, where you've got the Brisbane sign. So the Bonner Bridge, which is under construction, that we can see there, is going to connect Southbank with Queen's Wharf, Brisbane, joining two of the city's most iconic open spaces. And here's your perfect spot for a photo. Brisbane and the Brisbane city right behind it. Welcome to Brisbane, everybody. So superb view of the skyline there. It's amazing how Brisbane's like growing up. So up here you can probably see there's an aerial at the top of the building on the right there. That used to show the, I don't know whether it still does, the current weather. So Brisbane, sometimes known as Brizzy. Down here in southeast Queensland, right on the river. It's a beautiful place to visit. And you can see the city cat over there. So we're right down here on the Brisbane River and the new Bonner Bridge, and you can see the freeway there and the bridge, casino right across the road, all the old buildings and the new buildings. The back of that will be Eagle Street. So we're looking at the Nepalese pagoda here at Southbank. And we're just going to continue walking along the river. Down here on the left is the ferry port for the Brisbane City Cat. And this is the main stop for Southbank Parklands. Beautiful waterfall. So over there you've got the Rainforest Walk. That looks pretty awesome. Australia-Japan Friendship Stone. Hope you're enjoying this video tonight, guys, of walking here in Brisbane, southeast Queensland, and we're at Southbank. Time coming up to 3:46 p.m. on this Tuesday afternoon. So this is the Southbank ferry port. So we're looking at the kitty cat. Going along the Brisbane River.